Oh, hey there. It's been a little while. I'm LJ with today's Adventure Stop, and I have an unboxing video for you again today, even though it's been a little while. So, do you want to know one of the best kept hidden secrets in the hotel and hospitality industry? How to freshen up a room or a car. This is it right here, my friends. Are you ready? Let's go. But first, since it's been such a long time, this is my buddy Edgar. We've been on lots of random adventures together, and he's here to hang out on today's unboxing as well. Hey, so if you're new to my channel, welcome. Do me a favor and subscribe down below and give this video a nice like and thumbs up. Hey, thanks. Okay, so what is this exactly? This here is an ozone generating machine. And what it does is it converts O2 oxygen into O3 ozone. And what it does is it breaks down the molecules, and in the process of breaking down that organic material, whether it be funky smells or anything that's particles in the air, basically it'll convert it into O3 ozone. The only thing is that it's a little dangerous. What? A little dangerous? Yeah, use this at your own precautions, guys. You know, I'm not giving you any advice or anything like that, but these machines, they are sold in certain states, and in certain areas they do not have them for sale for that particular reason, like in certain places in California. Now, this is a no-name brand. They're all made in China for the most part. They're pretty cheap overall. There's different sizes as well, per micrograms per hour of the filtration, whatever. Not really a filter, I'm sorry. It actually converts, breaks down molecules. You put it in a room, close it up. Don't go in there because it kind of messes with your mucous membranes, you know, your eyes and your nose and your throat. So while the machine is on, don't use it. Don't go in there. Block it off entirely. All these come with a timer, so they shut off automatically because you want to put it in the room or the area or the car, the vehicle, whatever it may be, where you want the funky smell to go away. And once the funky smell goes away, give it a good time to air out completely before you actually enter the premises, the area, the room, the vehicle, whatever it may be. Let's open this up and check this out. All right, so there's your instructions, the ozone generator. Again, they kind of look like that. Some have a digital reading on there, some do not. That, I believe, is your either intake or output, most likely. That's the power, and that's the timer dial button. And of course it says no entry. Oftentimes these are used in hotels and hospitality industries to get rid of funky smells. So say, for example, if your room was smoked in and it's covered in smoke, or you bought a used vehicle and you want it to smell really good, this is what you need. Whoa, and here we go. There's a jet flying by in the background here. Okay, and that's it right here. Like I said, these are all very, very similar. They're all made in China. They're all designed very similarly, so you don't have to get this exact one, but if you do, again, I'll leave the link in the description down below. This one's gray in color. Sometimes they come in black or orange or yellow, but there it is, my friends. As far as wattage too, okay, there's a run mode, so that lets you know that it's currently on. And danger, evacuate all living things before use, again, because it messes with your mucous membranes. So there's a little fan and the power button and power cord back there. It's that simple. It really is that small. Now, of course, I can't really, you know, have you smell. There's nothing as smell-o-vision, unfortunately. So I can't say, just take a smell of that. That smells really good now versus before and after. But you just have to take my word for it, my friends, is that this here works.
But you don't have to take my word for it.
So if you want to give it a shot, you know, give it a try. For 35, 40 bucks, it's well worth it. And in my opinion, I'll do the before and after, actually. I'll give it a shot and we'll see how this goes. All right, and here we are, my friends, the moment of truth. Again, we hang this on the door here like a hotel, no entry, just for everyone's safety. So I've had this machine on for about 30 minutes in here, and I wish you had smell-o-vision, because wow, what a difference does this make. It smells so like fresh and clean. It's just, wow. I mean, it had like a weird, you know, bathroom smells, you know, the mix of like the sink and like air fresheners and whatnot. But, oh, hey, yeah, and that's me. I'm wearing sunglasses on the inside because I'm old, okay? It hides the wrinkles. So it gives a little temperature gauge down here, a little reading. It has the timer on there. Again, I set it for about 30 minutes. You have your power switch on the back on this particular model, which is right there. The inlet fan, and it blows it on the outside. And again, it doesn't look like it does much, but wow, it really does. I don't know how this thing works. Don't know the technology behind it, but apparently it converts O2 oxygen, breaks down the molecules, produces O3 through the molecule breaking down process, whatever. It's science.
Yes, science!
But yeah, pretty awesome, guys. Give it a shot. All right, and that's just about gonna wrap up today's unboxing of our ozone generating machine. I wasn't paid or sponsored to make this video. I just really believe in this product. I think it's really good. Again, there's many different brands you can choose from. I'll leave the link in the description down below. I don't get any type of credit or anything like that from this manufacturer, but there's a lot of different machines that you can actually choose out there and go with. It's one of the best kept hidden secrets in the hotel and hospitality industry. Also, if you were to buy a used car, it's definitely a great tool in your tool belt, in your tool chest. Hey, so I'm LJ with today's Adventure Stop. If you like today's video, give it a nice like and thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Do me a favor and subscribe down below. And it's been a little while. Try to get back on the video kicks here because I've been pretty busy lately, but we'll try to make more videos soon. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.